Yeah, Plan B. It's the epic rhythm, you get me. More money, more cash, more flow, more dough, even more soul, even more cash, even more dough. More time to spit lines, hit like I spit rhymes when I spit grind, split mics. More kick, more snare, more claps, more bass, more synths, making more fat, more power, more bigger beats them. More speed, more BPM. More people kicking back with the jacks for the back. Knocking back 2 seconds flat. More people letting go. If you feel my flow, don't hold back. Let it show from your head to your, yeah, from your head to your toe. To the beat with your feet, start shaking your bones. From your head to your toe, to the beat with your feet. I wanna see more people in the club getting twisted. More people spreading love when I spit. I wanna see more people on the floor than the biz. More people at the door being. I wanna see less fights. More scracking on the floor and all that. More venues in the ends where it's at. More venues in the ends playing rap. I wanna see less boys, less minds, less cats. More girls, more women, more galley who know how to act with everything. Looking fat, I wanna see. Yeah, you know when we've had enough. It's when we say more. Cause we can never have enough.
Sveiki! Turėjom šiandien pirmą treniruotę ir man davė pirmam važiuoti, apsižiūrėti, ar viskas tvarkoja su mašina, sužinoti, kaip su bėgiais, kurios bėgiais naudoti kai kuriuose posūkiuose tiesiosiuose, kad galėčiau patarti savo kitiem komandos nariam. Man viskas buvo tvarkoje, viskas gerai sekės. Po to buvo eilė atsisėsti Klaudijui. Jam važiuojant viskas kaip ir tvarkoje buvo, bet po to jam atsirado problemos su greičio ribotuvu. Tas, kuris yra naudojamas važiuoti per pitleiną, kad neviršyt greičio. Jam tiesiog važiuojant tiesioje ir posūkį tiesiog įsijungdavo. Tai greičiausiai atvažiuos į pitleiną, sustosim ir žiūrėsim. Dabar liko tik 10 minučių iki treniruočių pabaigos.
We'll always want more. Cause we can never have enough. We'll always want more. And you know when we've had enough, it's when we say more. Cause we can never have enough.